is Chief Purser again. The captain has informed us that we are inspecting the aircraft due to a malfunction of the aircraft. We will take 30 minutes to more. If any passenger does not feel well, please contact your cabin attendant. We apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you. This is the Chief Purser Takahashi. May I have your attention, please? The captain has decided to return to the parking area due to a malfunction of the aircraft. Thank you for your understanding.
Dear passengers, this is the captain speaking again. Due to the difficulty about flight control system, so we have decided to return to the gate. Your understanding is very much appreciated. Thank you for your understanding and patience.
This is the Chief Purser Takahashi speaking. The malfunction has been fixed. We will start refueling the aircraft soon. It is expected to take about 10 minutes. Please take your seat as soon as possible and keep the aisles clear. Please keep your seatbelt unfastened until informed otherwise. Please refrain from using the lavatory. For safety reasons, nothing should block the aisles or exit with your baggage. Smoking is prohibited in the cabin, including the aisles and the lavatory. Thank you.
Dream about the days to come. I won't have to leave alone. About the time I won't have to say. Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. Oh, babe, I hate to go.